I got a new car, folks. And I got a new car. Yo, can't wait to see this. Hold up. I mean, this is like my third car in this game. But damn, it drip, bro, it drip. I mean, I probably gone massacre the greatness of this car. I mean, I never upgraded, and Rise a terrible driver. So this is probably not gonna be impressive, but we'll just take in how fresh it looks. Alright, six tons. And when you race? Oh my god. Alright, so this is it. Is that Camaro? Ooh, it's a Camaro. See, already ruined its reputation. Uh, oh my god, I need to do 6 tons in this small map. Oh, how did that guy crash? The hell? Can he move, bro? Ooh. Ah! Bro, I need to do 6 stunts. Oh, that was not a stunt. And here comes the popo. Great. Oh, this is not great. Things could be better. I just got this car. Ooh, that was fresh. That landing was not though. Ah, did that guy already finish? Ooh. Ooh, get out of my way. Not today. Okay, hold on. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, there just had to be a bus right there. Oh my god, that guy is so far. Oh, I thought I just crashed. I'm not gonna lie, this asphalt is kind of fun. I mean, it's not realistic driving game. Oh my god. It's not realistic driving game, but kind of fresh. Okay, well, I did all this stuff. Oh, wait, I just supposed to finish. Okay, but I guess I got the flags. I didn't lose. That's a win-win-win situation. Great, good stuff. Is there any way to not finish this race? Alright, well, I'll just upgrade the car. Right. I'll just get the car to even do this race. I'll just upgrade the car. That just unlocked me a whole bunch of stuff. And yeah, that'll be it. Let's see. What should I upgrade? I like handling, so I'm gonna max out handling if I could. Can I? I need parts. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'll do handling and top speed for now. I need to figure out how to get these parts. Well, I'll just upgrade everything I can for now until I get the parts. Because apparently I'm filthy rich, my brother. Alright, well, yeah, I mean, we'll test it out in another video. Peace.